Really? That didn't touch it.
Chin is next to the neck. So what?
Yeah, but so is your asshole.
My asshole is next to your mouth. What's up, SB Squad? It's your boy T0UCH.
And your girl Victoria.
We're back with another video, guys.
Yep.
Sorry about late upload, guys. You know what? We're busy every day. So it's not an excuse, but yeah, just busy at work. So sorry guys about that. Yeah, you know we love you guys. That's why we do this, because we love you. So
Oh, có lắng ai phải có nhiều mà.
shut up.
Everyone knows.
That's what's the point?
So guys, we have been a little bit MIA, but we've been focusing on other things. I ain't even gonna try and make an excuse because yeah, we have no excuse. I've been focusing on my personal channel. If you want to subscribe, the link will be down in the description box. And just living life.
Today we're gonna do a challenge, guys. Touch my body challenge. So
this is his video request.
this is my video request. Touch my body. This is our video for tonight. Hope you guys enjoy it. So we're gonna start now. And yeah,
I'm gonna go first.
and
That's your nose.
oh,
So avioso.
I don't think you did enough.
No, because I know you're
No.
fat nose.
Okay.
You only get 3 turns.
Yeah.
No, close these hands.
What's that?
It's my ass.
Try again. That's your fingers.
No, you can't do that. Do you know what he did? He was like this.
No.
You're such a cheater.
No, I just want to feel.
No, you went like this. And you felt my nail. You stupid.
Yeah.
No, you don't get that point. I get 2.
One. Make sure your hand is good. Stop. What are you doing?
Go again. You're hurting my arm, my hand. That's your oh.
No.
Yes, it's here. Shame.
Oh.
I know.
Because you like this, you did before.
Nah. No.
What?
Why is this chair making noise?
Do it.
I already did.
No,
you only get 1 turn.
No. That's your foot.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
That's bottom of your foot.
Nah.
That's your kulima.
Nah.
What's that for?
Huh?
What's that then?
That'd be nice.
Oh. Can't feel anything.
Ow. I didn't feel anything.
What do you mean?
You're putting my nail on it.
What's that?
Go again. That's your chest. You are so frustrated, aren't you?
How do you know? How do you know?
I am the pro at this, but I've never played it.
I never played it too. What do you mean?
I just want to show you guys. Look at my husband. He's so snacky.
Yeah, snacky. Cut my beard and my hair, so it looks snacky now. Yeah, snacky boy.
No, give me this hand.
Do it again.
Babe.
Do it again. That's your cheek.
Nah.
That's your cheek.
Nah.
Do it again.
One more. Stop looking. I can see you trying to open your eyes.
No. I can't feel anything. You
Yeah. You want more.
No, I promise.
Babe, you only get 3 turns.
No, I can't feel anything.
I can't feel anything.
That's your chin.
No.
Yes.
Open your eyes, you lose.
What's that for?
My neck.
Yeah.
That's not a chin.
So the chin is on my neck.
Okay, go ya go you sale aulo pe ku dan iko chin.
Oh, the chin is on my neck.
No nga sale aulo ka un meter chin.
Chin is next to the neck. So what?
Yeah, but so is your asshole.
My asshole is next to your mouth.
Oh my god, you're annoying.
Just make sure you close your eyes.
Ow. Do it again. What the heck?
What's that?
Do it one more time. I can't feel it. Stop hurting me.
Yeah, that's it.
It's like your leg.
Where? Where? Open your eyes and tell me where.
Dare you?
And tell me where.
Here.
Whoa! No, that's not.
Yes, it is. You know how I can tell? Because I felt hair. You a hairy bastard.
What did you say that to me for? Don't say that.
Hurry up.
So, you got 4 and I got 3.
No, you got 2.
What
And
do you
I
mean?
got 5.
I got another one.
What, another
Your
one?
neck.
No, that doesn't
Yes.
count. That doesn't count.
I said neck.
Put it on, put it on.
What's wrong with my head? It's already tight. I can't feel anything.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did.
Honest.
Stop.
Hey, it's up here.
What?
It's
Take
your
it off and
shoulder.
show me.
It's your shoulder.
Now you got it right. It was here.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, that's right. Just start the shoulder.
Oh, right, look. This is the whole shoulder. You know? This is your poopy.
You're an egg. Ouch, this is hurting my eyes. What the hell?
What?
It's hairy.
Don't do that.
Is that your back?
No.
that your tummy?
No.
It's your tummy. Did I get it?
Yep.
You suck.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I always get yours.
Why? Because you brush always so many times.
No, I don't. Babe! Babe, you're such a cheater!
What do you mean?
I can see you peeking, you're going like this, trying to lift your thing up. No, let your finger. Babe,
What?
I'm not gonna let you do it if you keep trying to swab at it.
What do you mean?
Like this.
Right? So when you must have your butt, you do.
Yes?
No. Why did I go ngay?
That's enough.
Why did I go ngay? Because you owe me my even like this.
No, no, take it off.
What? Take it off. Take it off. It ain't mucky.
What is it?
It's your chin.
Why did you just make my chin wobble? You just made my chin wobble.
It's your chin. You.
Oh, it wasn't my chin.
What? But your lips look like your chin.
Babe.
Your lips feel like your chin.
Well, it wasn't.
Ah.
You're a complete egg, Ossie.
배우러 맛있는 거 빵 먹었지.
Gudaya, gu.
Stop. What? What a cheater. 부러운 슈베 정정기. Ah, what a cheater. Push your mouth again. No, I'm not gonna
I felt your stinky ass. Parang ako sure. Siya mau niya. Oh, no, like,
너네 아슬레 먹었냐 스쿠린 얘기.
Really? That didn't touch it. That's your hand, your finger. That's your finger, babe.
No.
Yes, it is. I just
No,
felt
I
it.
didn't do it. Ở con quay pha sao luôn.
What a pesto!
No, honest.
Hurry up. Wow, phải mà băng wow, ui. That's your finger.
No.
Baby, I know.
Open your eye. This is my turn.
Stop lying.
Honest. You can see in the camera.
We got one more each.
One more each, guys. So, one more each.
You better make it a good one.
Yep.
Wait, I want to stand. Stand up for this one.
Ai nga miari jare. Ai nga roko era kadi mari jare. Kai agera uri mari jare.
What was it?
Huh?
What was it?
It's your puke.
Okay, I'm ready.
What's that?
Do it again. Don't. I got the boom, yeah.
No.
Is that your ball? Okay, guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. We are so sorry for being MIA, but guys, no excuses.
Yeah.
We're gonna try Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking our videos.
Yeah.
Thank you for loving us.
And shout out to my boy Turo. Turo.
Shout out to Russ. Alright guys, we love you guys so much. Subscribe, like, comment, share. SV Squad.
SV Squad signing out. Chee. Oh, and forgot to shout out to my team on Fortnite camp. So shout out if you know we always play at night. So shout out to you guys.